In this video, I'm going to show you how to fold a Twist Antiprism Box designed by Christiane Bettens. This is how you open it. Simply take one of these flaps and pull it out, and then unfold the other ones to reveal a small gift or message. You can refold the box by tucking in these flaps right here, and then overlapping these larger flaps one by one and tucking them inside, and maybe tucking in another one of those flaps back in here. Very nice. It's a fully colored model, but there's also this color change variation, which I'm also going to show you how to fold. I'll use a square with a side length of 15 centimeters or 6 inches, and the finished box then has a maximum width of about 5.35 centimeters or 2 1/8 of an inch, and a height of about 2 centimeters or 5/6 of an inch. We're going to start with the white side up for a fully colored model or a color change model with a white box and a colored lid. We're first going to fold in half diagonally by bringing point to point. Then unfold, rotate, and repeat. Unfold, and now we're going to fold a blind space, so we're going to take the corner and bring it to the center. Now I like to rotate and bring in the opposite corner next. And then, rather than bringing in this corner, I'm going to connect these 2 points. If your first 2 folds aren't quite as precise, or if you're starting with a piece of paper that's not quite square, this method gives you nicer precision. So the corners don't quite meet in the center, but that's not important because these crease lines meet up very nicely. Now unfold, flip over. Now take one mountain fold and bring it to this central diagonal crease line and crease throughout. Unfold and repeat 3 more times. Unfold, flip over, and now we're going to take this edge and bring it to the intersection of these 2 crease lines. And we're only going to crease in the center so that we're creasing along the diagonal of this small square right here. And repeat 3 more times. Now we're going to flip this to the color side and we're going to perform a square twist. For this we're going to pinch along the diagonal crease lines and we're going to let this square pop up. And once you have that, we're going to fold in half that square top to bottom like this. And then we're going to fold to the right and to the left in the back. And then we can open this up like this and like that. And then you have your nice square twist, and this is what it looks like from the back. Now we have 2 here because we want to fold the color change version with this one and the fully colored version with this one, and you will see it's very similar. But let's start with the fully colored version. For this we're going to flip the paper over so that you can see this white square, and we're going to fold these flaps up so that you're creating a crease line right along that color change area. Or in other words, you're bringing this point over to that point right there. Then unfold, And then bring this corner up to here, so that you're creating a crease line right here, and you're going to stop that crease right there where that square twist ends. Unfold, then rotate, and repeat 3 more times. Now we're going to collapse the box. For this, we're going to look at this section right here. You can see we have a triangle right here, and this is going to be a mountain fold, and this is going to be a valley fold, so that we're tucking the paper inside this pocket right here. So we're doing this action right there. Can you see? Like that. And then you might even want to pinch here to strengthen that other crease, like this. And then we're going to go to the next one, and again we're going to have this pocket, and we're going to tuck that paper inside along the existing crease lines and pinch again. And one more time right here. And one last time right here. Open up slightly so that you can easily work with it. Pinch that mountain fold and tuck it inside. You might even want to unfold the first one a little bit so that it's easier to navigate. Like that. Pinch it in place, tuck that one in again too. And then you can ensure that all of these flaps are tucked in case any of them unfolded. You can see, tuck that one in and tuck that one in. And now we're going to bring one flap down, and then we're going to cover it with the next one, and cover it with the next one, then cover it with the last one, and this one we're going to tuck inside. So we want to go in here. Can you see that? Go inside with the tip and then just slide it in. And then your Twist Antiprism Box designed by Christiane Bettens is done. But we also want to look at the color change version. Now for this one we're going to keep it on the colored side, and again fold up these flaps once like this and once like that. We're using the same references, but just working on the other side. And then rotate, and again fold up. This crease line is going to match up with that layer underneath, and then fold up, and here we're budding the paper along this square twist, so it's quite easy to get it precisely in the right spot. And now we can collapse this box too. We're going to again look at these triangles, and this time we're going to pinch this into a mountain fold. It will be a valley fold right now, and then fold it inside this flap right here and pinch into place, and move on to the next one. Pinch and tuck inside like that. It's maybe just slightly trickier because the creases are in the other direction, but you should be still quite fine. And the last one. Just ensure you're going along the crease lines and not adding new ones, so that your box has a nice finish in the end. So once you have that, you can then tuck one in, and then fold one flap in, and then go to the next one. And before you tuck it down, ensure that this flap is in there. And this way of collapsing, I find, makes it easier to ensure that these small flaps don't come undone. Tuck it in, fold it down, and then one last time, tuck it in and fold it down, and then slide underneath the very first one, like this. And then your color changed twist prism box designed by Christiane Bettens is all done. So here are the two versions. Diagrams have also been published in Origami USA's online magazine, The Fold. And if you like this model, then do check out the other variations that Christiane has posted on her Flickr stream. And definitely check out her website origami-art.org. And if you liked this video, do let me know by giving it a thumbs up, commenting below, and sharing it with others. Now, how about you fold the 6-pointed crown also designed by Christiane Bettens next, or check out my playlist of origami boxes and containers. Finally, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next videos. I hope to see you around, and as always, happy folding!